Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like video effects to just like the weapon part only. So you're just going to want to select cutout, customize. You do need pro for this, and you're just going to select this portion of the weapon. Well, try to be more detailed than me. As you can see, I have to like erase some bits here and there. Oops. Maybe make the brush a little bit smaller. Like that. And have like some parts here too that I have to erase. And I might add in a few more bits here. Oops. Maybe like make it smaller. That's good enough. Oh, I do need to select these areas that I missed as well. Select apply. Select your video and add it on the bottom of that video. Then go to effects, add in a neon, and also add in the edge glow, which is in lens. Where is it? There we go. And I'm also going to add in like a color, maybe like purple one. And then I'm just going to go to blend mode and choose linear burn. Yeah, I'm just going to choose linear burn. Select these, right click, create compound clip, and then just go to blend mode and choose screen or brighten, and it's going to only be applied to the gun portion. And if this happens, you do need to do it again, like track it here again. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.